Hi guys, so today in this video I will show you how to fix a Sunbeam heated blanket that's flashing or blinking and the reset steps that solve most of the controller related problems. So first of all, whenever you see these types of problems, the very first thing that you need to do is to simply turn the blanket off and unplug it from the wall outlet. Then simply disconnect the controller from the blanket itself. A surprising number of blinking light issues happen because the controller isn't communicating properly with the heating wires inside the blanket. Now, after doing this, you just have to simply inspect the connector where the controller plugs into the blanket, and you need to make sure that it is also fully seated and locked into the place. Now, you just have to simply leave your blanket unplugged for at least 3 to 10 minutes, and after this time duration you just have to reconnect the controller to the blanket first, then plug the power cord directly to the wall outlet, and then you just have to turn the controller back on. So this is the reset procedure that clears many of the temporary controller lockouts. So you can try this and see if it is working properly again. Thank you.